Yes, exercise 11.1, very interesting one, very important for examination purpose also. What is the question number 1 is, draw a line segment of length 7.6 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 5:8, and whatever you have to measure two parts also. Okay, for that what to do? First of all, you have to draw one 7.6 centimeter with help of scale. And now what I am going to do, I am drawing one acute angle. See here, like this one acute angle I am drawing. This is the acute angle. Okay. Yes. Now I'm going to divide this acute angle in 13 equal parts. How 13? See here. Here is 5:8 is given to you. Okay, it means first 5 parts are this A5. If you add 8 in 5, you will get 5 plus 8 is 13. So you have to make it 13 equal parts. Yes, by this way you have to cut 13 arc like A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 up to A13. This is your AX, and without any measurement but equal distance, like this is one arc, this is second one, this is third one. Like this you have to put all, like this is 12 to this is 13, all 13 arcs you have to draw it. Then after, what to do, you have to join A13 to that given point B. Okay, this is the way to get. I have joined what? B to A13. Both I joined it. Now I am going to make it similar angle. Okay, how can I make it? See here. I will put the needle of compass on A13 and I am drawing one arc of any measurement. I am drawing one arc of any measurement like this. Okay. After that, what to do? I have to make it one more arc. At what point? It is given C, A5. A5. Two arcs I have to draw. On that two arcs I have to make it similar angle, that is A5 and A13. On A13 I have made it here. Then how I made? See here. Take any measurement and make one arc. On A13, now I am approaching on A5. I am putting the needle on A5 and drawing one arc. Why I am drawing? I am drawing to make it similar angle. Now I am trying to measure this angle. See here. This I am measuring. This is the measurement of this angle. And same measurement I am going to put and putting needle here at where I will cut the arc, and see here. This is the arc. With the help of this, now what I have got it? I got this point and A5 I am having. So I have to draw, I am going to join these 2 points and extend it up to line segment, this AB. And what you have seen, see here, this is your point P. Let that point is P here. So this A5, PA5 and A3B both will become parallel. Okay, if you try to measure, take it measurement of AP and PB, you will get AP 2.9 centimeter and PB or C, that is 4.7 centimeter PB. So 2.9 and 4.7 centimeter. This is the measurement of these two parts. When you add, you will get again 7.6 centimeter. It is very important for examination purpose. Yes, question number 2. Construct a triangle of side 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Then a triangle similar to it whose sides are 2 upon 3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. It is very important one. You have to make it one similar triangle which is 2/3 of the given triangle. For that, what to do? You have to make it one triangle of sides 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Now with the help of scale, you have to draw this 6 centimeter BC. One side you have to draw it. Then after you have to cut two arcs of 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. See, this is the arc of 5 centimeter here. And one more arc I am drawing. See here from B, you can draw it this 4 centimeter. Okay. Then after you have to join and make it triangle ABC. Then after you have to join see here AB and AC. You will get one triangle ABC. After that you have to draw one acute angle from point B. This is the acute angle. This is acute angle. Okay, and make it 3 arcs because we have to divide the triangle and make it one new triangle of 2 upon 3. So 3 is the maximum in these two. So you have to make it 3 arcs. Now I am going to draw 3 arcs from point, 3 equal arcs from point B. Now then, you have to draw these 3 arcs here as I am drawing here. This is first arc. This is B1, B2 and then third one is B2 to B3. 3 arcs I have drawn. Okay, then what to do? Whatsoever on denominator, see in denominator 3 is there. So you have to join B3 to that point given C. What I am going to join it? B3 to C. Why is that so? Because in denominator 3 is there. So I have to join B3 to the point C. See here how I am joining. This is the point. After that, what I am going to do, see here. I am going to make it similar angle. Okay, my task is to make similar angle of, first of all, for making similar angle, what to do? You have to draw one arc from B3 and 2 is there. So from B2 also you have to draw one arc. Okay, then after see carefully where I am putting. I have to measure this angle. I am going to measure. I have to open or close C to measure this angle this and put needle here and cut one arc like this. Again I am explaining. First of all, what I have done, I have put this and drawn to B1 and B2 two arcs. Then after I measure it, this measurement and taken measurement from here and cut from here. At last what I am going to do, I am trying to join B2 and this and see here this parallel line. This is the similar angle. This angle and this angle is similar angle and these are corresponding angle also. After that again I have to draw one similar angle. So I have to take what? One arc of any size. Okay. And from this point also I am drawing one arc. Like this. After that what to do? I have to measure this to this I have to measure. Then what to do? I am going to put here and cut this arc. Actually this point is your, you can mark it, this is C dash. Okay. I am going to join C dash and this point and one more side I will get it. See here. And One more interesting thing, this line and this both are parallel, and this is your A dash. So A dash BC is the similar triangle, shared this, and this is 2/3 of ABC. Okay,